This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the voice control on this device. At the start, open the control panel by swiping downwards from the top edge of your display. Here, find this head icon that speaks, or kinda, anyway, that's what it looks like. Tap on it, and now you can switch the voice control on or off. Once enabled, select what language you would like for your voice controls to be in, so English, Japanese, or Chinese probably, Mandarin. I'm not an expert in Chinese languages, so I do apologize. And then see the list of available voice commands. For example, take a photo, start recording, stop recording, mark that, shut down camera. Let's test it out real quick. Take a photo. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. So, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. And well, bye-bye.